I wanted a desk lamp that actually has some personality, so I decided to make my own. But first, we gotta clean up this mess to even have space to think. The idea was simple, a sleek, modern lamp that gives off a cozy, retro pixel vibe. I grabbed my iPad and started playing around with the shapes and colors. I wanted a pattern that could physically change how the light looks. I mapped the whole thing out on my computer and let the 3D printer do its magic. Watching these shapes come to life layer by layer never gets old. And just look at this. Holding this printed grid against the light, that glowing, blocky pixel effect is exactly what I was dreaming of. But honestly, it was a massive struggle getting there. Just look at this huge pile of prototypes and test pieces. I had to try so many different versions until everything finally clicked. Once I finally figured it out, I made these twisted inner parts so the lamp can actually move. It's basically like a giant twist and lock puzzle. Putting this together was so incredibly satisfying because everything just slides perfectly into place. For the actual light, I just took a basic LED puck, dropped it right into the middle, and ran the cable out the back. Then, I slid the smooth black outer shell right over the top to hide all the inner workings and give it that super clean look. The absolute final step was snapping on this white front cover. This is the secret ingredient that blurs the light and makes that awesome 8-bit illusion happen. Now for the absolute best part. By just twisting the outside of the lamp, the grids inside cross over each other and magically dim the light. It completely changes the mood of the room, and I am totally obsessed with how it looks. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more custom builds.